a step-by-step guide on how you can use Nectar points. How do you get points? First, in order to start accumulating points, you will need to go to the Nectar website or app and link with the different brand partners. One of the examples that I can give you is spending your points or using your points on Argos. You will click on that brand partner, and then here you will need to link your Nectar and Argos accounts. So depending on where you want to spend your points, you will need to link Nectar to that specific platform. Click on here, and then you will need to select get started, sign into Argos. Once you click on it, then it's going to ask you to link your account. So just click on link your account, and you will go through the process to link your account. Once you have linked your account, then on that specific website, you can spend your points by adding items to your cart and then going and clicking on continue to checkout, and you will be given an option to use your Nectar points. Now the process is gonna vary depending on where you want to spend your Nectar points, but as a rule of thumb, you will need to link Nectar to the platform and then use it within that specific platform to spend and use the points. I hope this helps and answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.